In today's session, we will explore the stack bar chart, an essential visual for comparing categories and subcategories in your data. By the end of this video, you will know how to create, customize, and interpret stack bar charts to uncover meaningful insights in your data set. What is a stack bar chart? So this is how your stack bar chart looks like. It is a type of visualization where bars are divided into segments representing a subcategories all stacked on top of one another. Okay, this helps us understand how each subcategory contributes to the total of a category. Why use a stack bar chart? It's best for showing proportion. It's great for comparing the contribution of different parts of the whole across categories. You can use it to analyze trends over time or across multiple groups. They can become hard to read if there are too many subcategories, so you can keep it very simple. All right. Yes, so this is our Power BI here. Click on a blank report. Here the Power BI interface will get loaded. Now we are going to load our data set. So our data set is in the form of Excel workbook. I'll click on that, and bottom right side you can see a connect button. Click on the connect button here. So my data set is of grocery store. I'll select that, click on open. Now your data set will open up here. It will be loaded, and you can see your data set in the data pane here on the right side of your screen. Okay, here we have a two sheets, that is table 1 and the data. So I'll be selecting a table 1 here. Now I will load it. Okay, so this may take some time to load our data. So you will be seeing it in a data pane on the right side. All right. Data gets loaded here, it's imported into Power BI. So here is a drop down of table 1. Here we have a different columns. You can see a city, cost, country, customer ID, and so on. All right, this is your visualization section where you have a different charts. Okay, so the first is your stack bar chart. Click on it. Okay, yes. So now here, whenever you select any chart, so here you get axes like x-axis, y-axis, legend. Okay, so in the stack bar chart, we can use three important sections here. That is your y-axis, x-axis, and the legend section. Okay, what I do here is in the x-axis, I will be giving a sales. Okay, yes. So this is not our stack bar chart. This is just a chart we can see here. All right. So now, so here we have a date hierarchy. Click on the drop down. Here we will be selecting a year. I'm just only selecting a year here. Okay. So now in the legend section, you can give a region. So I wanted to see my data in the region. Okay. So this is how your stack bar chart looks like. Now you have a format. Okay. Click on this paint. Okay, here you can format it your y-axis, you can format your x-axis, you can format the legends as well. All right, so let me show for a x-axis. Here in the x-axis we have a types, like you can keep it for a continuous or you can select it for a category as categorical as well. So this is how it looks like. All right, then you have a value at the bottom. Here you can select your desired font, you can select its size, you can increase the size here, you can keep it to a bold. Okay, and even you can select a color to make it very attractive. Yes, so now here you can say, keep a title here. I'll be giving it a year. Okay, yes, you can select a style. The same thing you can do it for y-axis also. For a title, I'm giving a Calibri as a font, and you can increase the size. Okay, bold. Yes, all right. And if you want, you can change the color. You have a layout, so you can explore here different sections. Here we have an x-axis, the same thing what we have done for the y-axis, so you can do it for the x-axis as well. Okay, and here the same thing you can do it for a legend. So wherever you want to keep it, like top left, you have a different option, top right. So see here, top right, center left, at what position you want to locate it your legend, so you can give it that. Okay, so I'll be keeping it in a top center. Okay, yeah, Now, in a general, we have properties, different properties. You can increase the height, size, you can position it horizontally and vertically. All right. Then you have a padding options. Okay, in the data format, we have a different options. You can explore this option. So here we have it in the visual section. We have a data label. So it's off right now. If you want to on it, you can see the data labels on our stack bar chart. So it will be very clear for you. Year, region, and what is okay. Yes, so when you take your mouse on this category, so you can see there is a data here. Date year is your 2019, region is your west. Yeah, so when you turn on this data labels, you will see a data labels on the stack bar chart. Okay, so even you take a mouse here, you can see the detailed data here. Like date year is 2019, region is Midwest, and sum of the sale is 1847. All right. So in this way, you can create a stack bar chart. This is a very simple stack bar chart I have shown you in today's session. Wraps up our session for today. We explored how to create and analyze a stack bar chart in Power BI. We learned how this visual help us understand total values while breaking them down into meaningful parts, like analyzing sales by region and category over times. All right. So make sure to experiment with your own data set to get a better grasp of this visual. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. And please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out my day 5 of our 30-day Power BI series, where we will dive into another exciting topic. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you in the next session. Happy analyzing. Bye bye.